Hi, how are you today, everyone? And it's such a beautiful night. I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about largest tree on Earth. And here is the question: the world's largest tree on Earth is named after what Civil War general? Well, I'll give you the answer of this question, and here is the list of the option. The very first option is Ulysses S. Grant. The second option is William Sherman. The third option is Stonewall Jackson, and the very last option is Robert E. Lee. Now I'll give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer is William Sherman. And here is a bit more explanation. This is the reason why William Sherman is the correct answer. The colossal giant Sequoia, known as the General Sherman Tree, located in California's Sequoia National Park, stands as the largest living tree on Earth by volume and was officially named in 1879 to honor Union General William Tecumseh Sherman. The option featuring Ulysses S. Grant is incorrect because while the world's second largest tree is indeed named the General Grant Tree, it is a distinct organism located in nearby Kings Canyon National Park and does not hold the top spot. Stonewall Jackson and Robert E. Lee are completely wrong choices as they were prominent Confederate generals. So there is correct answer for the question. William Sherman, that's the correct one.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.